Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Brandon, the car guy, bringing you another how-to video today. I am sitting in the all-new Audi A6. This is the combustion version of the A6, not the e-tron version. Today I want to show you how to customize your heads-up display. First and foremost, I want to show you where you can do it simply on your steering wheel, and that's going to be this button here. Okay, and let me get focused in right here. And if you look straight ahead here on my heads-up display, as I push this button right there, it will actually change what shows on my heads-up display. So you have navigation, driver assistance, minimal display, which will show you your speed and your posted speed limit. Sorry, I'm so shaky. And then you also have media player, so it's going to show you your music, and then back to navigation and driver assistance. If I want to shut this off, all I have to do is just push and hold, and it shuts it off just like so. However, there is more settings within your beautiful Audi MMI, and the way we get to those, we're going to go ahead and hit the car icon. Then we're going to select, we're going to be on displays already. You're going to select the top square here. That's going to say heads-up display. Right now, it's currently toggled off because I did disable it from the steering wheel. I can tap that to turn it back on. I can adjust brightness, height, rotation, and even display contents. If I go under display contents, I can change my navigation display. So when I have turn-by-turn directions in Apple Maps and or Google Maps or the Audi MMI, I can visually see those right on the dash. If I'm not a fan of that, I could put no display or just maneuver. I can also have it show my parking surroundings, so like my parking sensor. So if I select that, this is what you'll see in your heads-up display. Also your phone, you can see your recent contact list. Navigation and driver assistance, when I toggle that on, you'll be able to see your elevation. Hazard information, brake assist, blind spot, things of that nature. Additional tabs, you can turn off additional tabs if you want it to be less busy. Then demo mode is actually pretty cool. If I turn that on and we look in the heads-up display, this is actually going to give me a live demonstration of what my heads-up display is capable of. So it's going to kind of give me a little tutorial video. It's probably about a minute or two, and it will guide you through what everything is in your heads-up display. So hopefully this helps you maximize your heads-up display. This does come available on Premium Plus, which is quite nice because it is available earlier on in the Audi lineup. They may be making a few changes to that in the 26 model year, and you may have to have Premium Plus with technology package to get the heads-up display. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments. If you have any other suggestions on what you would like to see on the channel, definitely let me know. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll get you more videos out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.